welcome back to the SCQ Access Review and the preview show. I'm Andre Skeen.
And I'm Monet Flowers. Now, these four schools have journeyed quite some way to make it to the semi-finals, and the Access team has been with them all the way. Take a look.
Factors of x squared plus 2x minus 63. Titchfield.
63, so 7. X plus 9x minus 7.
Yes.
Good.
Physics, according to Charles' law, when the absolute temperature of a fixed mass of gas at constant temperature is Vertec?
Temperature. Volume.
No, it's doubled. What happens to the volume of the gas? It is doubled. Sports, look at the screen. Identify this professional basketball player. Titchfield?
I'm going to say James Wiseman. James Wiseman.
Incorrect. Kevon Looney. And Jamaican heritage. St. Dorothy was Titchfield?
St. Catherine. St. Catherine.
Correct. 4 parishes that formed which current parish of Jamaica. And French. What is the French word for a skirt? Vertec?
La jupe.
La jupe.
No. Une jupe. And literature. Who wrote the 2011 non-fiction book, Steve Jobs? Titchfield.
Walter Isaacson. Walter Isaacson.
Correct.
What is the title of the 6th Harry Potter book? Ardennes.
Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince.
That's right. Art. Which artist created the work Cafe Terrace? Meadowbrook.
Van Gogh. Vincent Van Gogh.
In 1888, correct. Bible knowledge. Jesus walked on what body of Meadowbrook?
Sea of Galilee. Sea of Galilee.
Water, correct. Biology, specifically where in the body are the sternocleidomastoid muscles which help with turning and nodding? Ardennes.
The neck.
Correct. English language, which 9-letter adjective starting with F is derived from a French word meaning joke and has come to describe a joke with a little drop of sarcasm.
Next. Come, guys. Go on.
Facetious. International affairs. Who was the Brazilian president? Meadowbrook.
Jair Bolsonaro.
That's right. Chemistry. What is the color of neutral litmus paper? Ardennes.
Purple.
That's right. Music. What name did Nicki Minaj choose for her first studio Meadowbrook?
First album. Yes. Super Bass.
Correct. Pink Friday. The general knowledge. The capital of this island country in the eastern Mediterranean Sea is also known as Lefkosia. Give the name of the capital and the country. Nicosia.
I think that was a very good match. Awesome match. It was very intense. Very controlled, in my opinion, and I really wish we played Meadowbrook last year in the finals. It would have been so much excitement. I'd say that my team is 99% ready, because in truth, there's always more to learn. You'll never know everything, and there's always room for improvement. So I'd say 99%.
It has taught me how to become a people person. When you're playing on a team, you have to learn how to manage each person's personalities in order to get the most effective result.
Which animal is le cheval? Campion.
The horse.
The horse. Correct. Literature. Which West Indian wrote the 1970 novel Crick Crack Monkey? Campion.
Merle Hodge.
Correct. Art. Who painted the 1937 work The Weeping Woman? Campion.
Pablo Picasso.
Correct. Bible knowledge. According to the book of Esther, how many sons did Haman have?
6. No, don't press.
10. Biology. Each chloroplast in a plant cell contains a green-colored pigment called chlorophyll. Campion?
Thylakoid.
Incorrect. Required for which process? And that will be photosynthesis. English language. Give the British spelling of the word maneuver.
Spell. Wait.
Is that...
If we were to win this year, I believe it would be a huge confidence boost, not only to the team, but to the school as well, because the last time we won was in 2018, and we have been trying to win since then, and we have always been knocked out in the quarterfinals since then. So it would be a very, very huge confidence boost to know that we're able to win this year, especially seeing that it is my last year. As well as my vice captain Julia Dunn. It's both of our last year, and we would really love to win this year so that, we can basically go out with a bang.
Bible knowledge. Was Eleazar the son of Levi, Moses, or Wilma's boys?
Aaron.
Correct. Biology. What is another name for the lower jaw in Denby?
Mandible.
Right. English language. Change this sentence to the present continuous tense. The boys play cricket in the summer. Denby.
The boys will be playing cricket in the summer.
Was that your answer? The boys are playing cricket in the summer. Local and international affairs. Who is the Prime Minister of the Netherlands? Wilma's boys.
Mark Rutte.
Correct. Chemistry. What is the oxidation state of nitrogen? Denby.
-3.
+4. Music. What is the stage name of Jamaican reggae and dancehall singer Calvin Scott? Wilma's boys.
Cocoa tea.
Correct. General knowledge. Scandinavia is a region in the northern section of which continent? Wilma's boys.
Europe.
Good. Spanish. What ordinal number is quadraje? Wilma's boys.
This is 14.
When the school Chinese school started, we mean the world, and I mean it, the world, the universe to Wilma's. It has been a 30 odd, the number is too big to remember, but it's been a lot of years since we have won the competition, so it would mean the world to Euro Circle if we take home this quiz trophy, which we will.
Remember, if you missed any of the live action, you can catch it on onespotmedia.com. Don't forget to look out for us on Instagram at TVJ_SCQ Access. Stick with us, more on SCQ Access when we return.